Have you ever wondered how network marketing has evolved over the years, just like the iconic Beatles? Just as the Beatles' music adapted to changing tastes and trends over the years, the network marketing industry has attempted to make changes, but finds itself on a downward trend. In the early days, the traditional approach of network marketing was all about convincing consumers to switch brands. But unlike the Beatles' music, network marketing has failed to evolve. The marketplace has become saturated and people have grown tired of the constant pitches. The traditional consumable products business opportunities that once worked are no longer effective in 2024. The market is burnt out and doesn't care about your new shampoo, vitamins, or other lotions, potions, skincare, and pills. It's no longer logical to compete with giants like Amazon in the consumable products niche. Instead, the key to success in today's network marketing landscape lies in finding a growing niche with passionate buyers. So just as the Beatles continued to innovate and adapt their music to the changing times, network marketing must do the same. It's not about going back to the old consumable products, but about evolving and finding new products and services to resonate with audiences. Just like the Beatles, network marketing as it exists today will never return to what it once was. However, it can evolve and adapt, finding new non-consumable products to resonate with audiences. So, what does the future hold for network marketing, and how can we learn from the Beatles' evolution? Just as the Beatles found new audiences by evolving their music, network marketers must also adapt and get away from consumables. A saturated market and traditional consumable products no longer work. 2024 and beyond calls for new, unique, innovative products and services. The secret? Find a growing niche with passionate buyers. Consider this, a $450 billion product niche bigger than all the network marketing companies in the world combined, right now. But the fact you really need to wrap your mind around is, it is projected to grow to $1 trillion by 2033 and has no MLM competition. Sounds like a game changer, doesn't it? The potential is immense, but the key is to adapt, to evolve just like the Beatles did. They may not be around anymore, but their music still resonates. It still connects with new audiences. When the network marketing nutritional products companies started in the 50s, there was basically no competition. But what about today? Grocery stores that didn't stock vitamins years ago now have full-blown health food stores inside their facilities. Network marketers need to wake up and find their market that's waiting to be tapped, their audience that's waiting to be captivated. In the end, the key to success in network marketing, like in music, lies in the ability to evolve and adapt to changing times. The Beatles did it, and so can we in the network marketing industry. The truth is 99% of distributors who have entered the profession the last 50 years were never taught a logical, sequential system for customer acquisition, and then converting many of those customers into team members. They have been going into the market worrying consumers to death, trying to convince them to change brands and try their company's vitamins, skincare, household, and other consumable products. The market, potential customers, are burnt out and they don't want to hear another pitch. That is the truth. We all know it, but nobody can admit it. When evaluating a niche, you have to judge it by today's standards. 70% of households in the USA today have an Amazon Prime account. When normal humans run out of their multivitamin or any other consumable product network marketing companies are trying to sell, they simply click one button and add it their Amazon order. When you really stop and think about it, does it make logical business sense in 2024 to try to build a business competing with Amazon in the consumable products niche? It hurts to admit this, many leaders have earned millions of dollars with network marketing consumable products, but those days are over. Sometimes you just have to realize it is not 1995 anymore and admit the emperor has no clothes. If you told me you want to manufacture typewriters, I'd advise against it, so you need a niche that is constantly growing and has customers that are passionate about your product or service. This is a real secret to network marketing team building success for 2024 and beyond that nobody is talking about. Why? Because 97% of network marketing companies are in the consumable products niche. You don't have to be the sharpest tool in the shed to figure this out. You just need a little common sense. Or am I missing something? To become successful with the network marketing business model in 2024, you combine a huge niche with passionate buyers that really want the products or services you are marketing. Here are a couple of important questions. Are collectors passionate about their collections? Second question. What do those that collect sports cards, comic books, old toys, Beanie Babies, etc. want to do most? Add to their collections. Success Magazine had an article 25 years ago that changed many network marketing leaders' career. The theme was, if people want what you are selling, you will get rich. We have found the perfect product niche for 2024 and beyond. Currently, it is a huge $450 billion market that is bigger than the volume done by all the network marketing companies around the world. Combined, are you hearing this? But hear this. This untapped market is full of hungry buyers and projected to grow to $1 trillion by 2033, and there is no MLM competition. You can learn all about the market and the opportunity here. www.100ksidegig.com. And I would recommend that you take a few minutes now and make yourself aware of this brand new category creating company. The website again is www.100ksidegig.com. The link is in the description of this video. This is a special place in the history of network marketing, the opportunity to find your Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band, your revolution. It has started. Most are unaware, but you can learn more at 100ksidegig.com. Thank you for watching. If this content spoke to you, we would appreciate a like, and we hope you will subscribe for more thought-provoking, relevant content in the future.